Hi, welcome. Today I'm going to be making one of our favorite recipes. It is our bacon corn maque choux. Yep, that's right, putting bacon in it. So we're going to use the bacon that I make. Go ahead and put that down to cook. Wash hands. All right, now while my bacon's getting ready so that I've got that bacon fat to cook everything in, what we're going to go over is corn. Now corn is in season here right now, so that's why I'm doing this recipe. Now this is something I remember from my childhood. We used to go to my grandmother's house and we'd sit over this tin bucket that was full of water and we'd shuck corn just for hours and everything, and sitting in the garage, which the garage was not AC, it was just a big open garage, middle of the summertime. But what you're going to want to do is you're going to take them from the very, very top and we just peel it open. Peel it on both sides, and you're going to discard the husk, pop the bottom off, try to get rid of as much of the silk as you can. Now that I have it off, what I'm going to end up doing is I took this bowl, and you're going to take another bowl that's kind of smaller. I put that on the inside, and what that does is it holds my corn up, allows everything to go inside of the bowl whenever we cut on the outside. And basically what you're going to do is cut down the side of the corn. Hopefully everything falls in the bowl. And just work your way around as I'm going to do on this one. Alright, now that I've got all the kernels off, we're actually going to take the knife, turn it on its spine, and then take the back of the knife and rub down the sides of the corn cob. Now what that's going to do is that's going to get all of the kernel out, and it's going to give you some of that juice. You want that juice to make this that much tastier. I'm going to go ahead and finish this one up and do the rest of them. Be right back. Alright, we've got our bacon cooked off, and now we're going to go ahead and start on our corn maque choux. We've got the bacon grease that's left in here. You need that to make this bacon corn maque choux. Go ahead and add our diced onions and bell pepper. Alright, now that we've actually got some brown on those vegetables, we're going to go ahead and add some salt to draw out the water and a little bit of pepper blend. Alright, we've got a really great brown on these vegetables, so we're going to go ahead and add in some tomatoes. The water from that is going to help take any bits off of the bottom. Alright, so that everything's cooked together, we're going to go ahead and add in our corn with all of that juice. We're going to go ahead and add our cayenne. Be careful with that, it's really hot. Last but definitely not least, a little bit of cream. Alright, we're going to chop up the bacon and add it back in. Alright, well there you have it. Bacon corn maque choux, because, you know, it's better with bacon. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and plate this up. Beautiful little itty bitty bits. Let's go ahead and give this a taste. Oh, yeah. So good. Smoking. Got the fresh vegetable taste. And a little bit of cream at the end. Delicious. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Remember to subscribe and check out all the rest of our videos. Thank you so much. Bye.